Want to create your XT.com account in just a few minutes and unlock exclusive rewards? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, from signing up to completing KYC, and show you how to use referral code bonus 888 for extra benefits. XT.com is one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, offering more than 800 trading pairs, spot and futures markets, and powerful security features. Whether you're new to crypto or already experienced, XT.com gives you the tools to trade smarter and safer. Here's why you should register with referral code bonus 888 and complete KYC today. Unlock referral rewards, fee rebates, and newcomer bonuses. Increase your withdrawal and trading limits. Gain access to fiat deposits and withdrawals if available in your region. Keep your account secure and fully verified. Here's how to create your XT.com account. Click the sign up link in the description. Choose to register with your email or phone number. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter referral code bonus 888 in the invitation code field. Agree to the terms and conditions. Confirm your registration by entering the verification code sent to your email or SMS. That's it. Your XT.com account is ready. Next, let's verify your identity with KYC. Log in, go to your personal center, and click KYC verification. Select your country or region. Upload the front and back of your passport, ID card, or driver's license. Complete the facial recognition step, either with a selfie or a quick liveness check. If required, provide your residential address and upload a proof of address, such as a utility bill. Submit your documents and wait for approval. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, your account will be fully unlocked with higher limits and full access to all features. By using referral code bonus 888 and completing your KYC, you'll also unlock XT.com's bonus programs, including fee discounts, newcomer rewards, and access to exclusive promotions inside the Rewards Hub. Without referral code bonus 888, you miss out on fee rebates and bonus offers. Without KYC, your account is limited, smaller withdrawals, no fiat access, and restricted features. With both, you get the full XT.com experience. Make sure your ID photos are clear and valid. If your KYC is rejected, check the feedback, fix the issue, and submit again. Don't wait. Click the sign up link in the description. Register with referral code bonus 888 and complete your KYC today. Unlock rewards, fee rebates, and full access to XT.com right now. Thanks for watching this XT.com sign up tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your crypto journey begins today with referral code bonus 888. See you on XT.com.